The school concert's next Thursday. Do you know who's going to play in it?
I heard that Farhad might play the piano, or Sophia. I'm not really sure. They're both amazing piano players.
Someone said a rock band is going to play too. Who might be in the band?
Li Jing may be the singer. She likes singing. Anyway, I might not go to the concert. I might have dinner with my grandma that night. Are you going to go?
I might. I'll find out who's playing in it first.
Look and listen.
Farhad might play the piano, or Sophia. I'm not sure. Li Jing may be the singer. She likes singing.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Which pencil do you think he might choose? That's right. He might choose the black pencil. He might choose the white one. Who do you think may win the race? That's right. The girl in the green t-shirt may win the race. Who might visit you next week? Well done!
Yay!
Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones.
That was a great joke, Dad. Did you see his face?
The Mayas designed this to sound like a Quetzal bird when someone clapped.
You look like you've seen an Aztec brave.
The braves painted their faces and wore birds' feathers and animal fur. Everyone who saw them felt afraid. Quetzalcoatl was also the god of learning. You might learn something from this adventure.
And you might be sorry for your joke.
This is a giant calendar. There are stairs on each face. North, south, east and west, each with 91 steps.
And the top step makes 365. One for each day of the year. But I think we've missed something. That round building's where the Mayas watched the sky. We may see something from there.
The sun will be at its highest point soon.
We have to move fast. We haven't got much time.
If you're wrong, I'm going to be very unhappy, Bones.
When these bowls are full of water, they work like mirrors. The Mayas used them to watch the sky better.
What?
Quickly! We've got some bottles of water here. We need to put some into the bowls.
It's almost 11:28, when the sun's at its highest. Let's see what happens now.
Richard's following us, remember? No tricks. Oh, come on! There it is! That picture will open the secret door to the gold!
It might not take us to gold, Mr. Greedy.